Today's the day. We're staying at the Fontana Dam Village and Resort. It's pretty nice views. I'll see you guys there. Alright, so we're pulling up to the spot right now, and we see nothing but S2000s and Hondas. This is so crazy. I've never been involved in something like this. Alright, and we're here. There's so many Hondas, as you can see. There's like hundreds and hundreds of Hondas. There's a LHT group is right there. I even saw Adam LZ. I was like, wow. But yeah, we're gonna take a look at all the cars and see what's up. Funnel.
Hey, you gotta work with what you have.
The scenery out here is amazing. We're still here at the top of the dam. We're just taking some photos and some videos. You see all the cars they're over there. But yeah, this scenery is so sick.
So this is the fit, guys. Looking good, staying warm. All right, let's not get distracted. Oh, hey, bud.
And we are here at Tail of the Dragon. That's the road right up there. The weapon of choice with the woman of choice. And the tree of shame.